The Great Escapee, understanding its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a specific word that can sometimes cause a bit of confusion. Escapee. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it correctly in sentences. Let's get started. The word escapee might sound a little mysterious at first. It's derived from the word escape, which means to break free from confinement or control. The "ee" at the end is a suffix often used in English to indicate a person who is the recipient or the one undergoing an action. Therefore, escapee refers to someone who has escaped, especially from custody or confinement. To grasp the meaning even better, let's see escapee in action. 1. The escapee was on the run for 2 days before the police captured him. 2. The zookeepers were on high alert after finding out that a snake was an escapee from its cage. 3. The news reported about an escapee from a high-security prison. You might be wondering, why not just use the word escaper? While both words relate to someone who escapes, escapee is more commonly used, especially when referring to someone escaping from prison or similar confinement. Escaper isn't incorrect, but it's less frequently used in formal contexts. There you have it. The word escapee refers to someone who has managed to break free or escape, especially from some form of confinement. It's a neat word to add to your vocabulary, especially when discussing news or events related to prison breaks or similar situations. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, keep exploring the vast world of the English language. See you in the next video.